Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how to install code blocks in your Windows and how to create a project from code blocks. In this video, I will show you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So without wasting any time, we will open our Google Chrome over here. And then we will come over this search option and search for code blocks. Here you can see code blocks download. Click on it. After clicking on it, here you will get a code blocks server over here called www.codeblocks.org. Without hesitation, just click on downloads. And after clicking on downloads, here you will get download the binary release. So click on it. Close it. After clicking on binary release, here you will get, scroll down a little bit, and here you will get a Microsoft Windows session. And from here, you will just have to download these codeblocks 20.03 minch.w.nodesetup.zip. So only this you need to download. There has a lot of options, but if you want to run code blocks in your Windows without any hesitation and want to create a project, for that reason you need to have to install this codeblocks.20.03 minch.w.nodesetup. So without hesitation and wasting time, just click on sourceforge.net or FOSSHUB. I will go for the sourceforge.net. So click on it, and then after clicking on, here you will get download related version link. Click on it. And here your download will start shortly. And now here you can see the download has been started. It will take 1, 2 or 3 minutes. I will fast forward the video right now. You can see the download is completed right now. So without hesitation, just click on 2 times on it. And by this, here you will get a download option. Install option. Just click on yes. And now here you have to set up your code blocks in your Windows. So how you gonna do it? Just click on next and click I agree and leave it as it is. Click on next. And if you want to change the location or destination folder location, you can do. I will leave it as random and click on install. And after that, here you can see the installation process will be begin, and it will take 2 or 3 minutes. So for right now, I will fast forward the video. So here you can see the code block installation is completed. So they are now offering for, do you want to run code blocks now? I'll click on yes. And by this, the code blocks will open. It will take some long seconds. And here you can see that they are detected a compiler. Click on OK. And then click next. And finish. And here you can see the leave it as it is. So now we are in code blocks, and now we will gonna create a new project. Click on create a new project and go for files. And after go for files, here you will get C or C++. Click on it and then click next. So here you need to have to select C or C++. So I will go with the C. If you want to go with C++, then you can go with that. So click next and now create a file path for that. So I will click it as, I will create a file in documents. For that, I need to create a file name called programs file, and go for C files and click save, and then click finish. And by this, we will create a program file. And now what we will do, we will create a project. So now what we will do, now we will write a C program here, and I will show you that it works. For that, I'm just pasting a C program and then click save and then take run. And by this, it will run over here. So here you can see the input we gave, the output is here. Hello world is over here. So this is how it works. And we showed you that how to install a code blocks and how to create on a project in code blocks. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.